My dear friends, welcome to my channel Tutuedu. Today we will learn 40 colors name. Come, let us start the video. Black. Black means kala. White. White means safed. Blue. Blue means neela. Yellow. Yellow means peela. Green. Green means hara. Red. Red means lal. Pink. Pink means gulabi. Brown. Brown means bhura. Purple. Purple means bangani. Grey. Grey means dhumela. Golden. Golden means sunhara. Orange. Orange means narangi. Ruby. Ruby means gahra lal. Maroon. Maroon means bhura lal. Navy blue. Navy blue means gahra neela. Silver. Silver means chandi rang. Clay. Clay means मिट्टी जैसा रंग. Bronze. Bronze means पीतल रंग. Beige. Beige means गहरा पीला. Azure. Azure means आसमानी रंग. Metallic. Metallic means धातुमय रंग. Off-white. Off-white means धूमिल सफेद. Amber. Amber means भूरा पीला रंग. Turquoise. Turquoise means फिरोजा. Grape. Grape means अंगूर रंग. Plum. Plum means बैर रंग. Rust. Rust means जंग रंग. Olive. Olive means जैतून रंग. Lime. Lime means चूने का रंग. Mint. Mint means टकसाल रंग. Violet. Violet means हल्के नीले रंग. Ivory. Ivory means हाथी दांत रंग. Pea green. Pea green means मटर हरित. Cyan. Cyan means हरी नील. Coral. Coral means मूंगा रंग. Indigo. Indigo means जामुनी. Magenta. Magenta means हल्का गुलाबी रंग. Mustard. Mustard means सरसों रंग. Wheat. Wheat means गेहूं रंग. Teal. Teal means हरे रंग की छायादार। Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.